just minimal.
Just got up here to Clarion, getting checked in at our hotel. 4 dudes in a room for the night.
All day, baby.
I'll steal all day. All of us. Yep. Huh?
So you gotta put that down.
Yeah, no shit.
I won't be here when you come back. So.
I see a set of rotors right there.
Just give it a choice.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Well, first, thank you all for coming out. I do appreciate it. All right, go over a quick couple things with y'all. We'll get you going here shortly. So.
Bad start, about an hour or two in. It's really sweet. Probably in like 10th place right now. I think we lost Steve the chef already, somehow. Going up a little bit on this climb. Just got onto our second road here. Real nice back gravel road. Liam just hit a nice descent. We've been attacking on the descents today. I don't really consider myself a good descender. My hands are happy near the end. About 13 miles in. Nice stretch of pavement here. 20, 22 mile an hour pace. Probably in the top 10. About to finish our first lap. Second lap. We're riding with a group of like 6 guys. Somehow we dropped a lot of them. 2 of them passed us, but we're keeping them in sight. Still feeling pretty good. See where we can take this. Got about 8 miles to go. Looks like there's about 4 guys in front of us. Still got Zach with me. We should be about 5 and 6. Chef Steve never caught us. Surprisingly, I expected him to. We got a little game plan here for the end. Try and get a podium. See if we can make something happen. Back down along the river here. About 5 or 6 miles to go. Pushing now. See 2 ahead of our group. were catching some people ahead of us. Yeah, right. My legs are cramping, I couldn't stand up.
So you got third. And Zach, you got second. David first. All right, so third place, Carl Greif, 1 hour, 58 minutes, 46 seconds. Second place, Zach Greif, 1 hour, 58 minutes, 38 seconds. And first place, David Tedeschi, 1 hour, 55 minutes, 7 seconds. Good job, guys.
I think it was behind you. I was catching him the whole time. Yeah, just running it. Yeah. I didn't know he was straight. Oh, there was a guy that went straight, yeah.
I was like, oh shit, like he slowed down. Oh, dude, my bad. He's like, I'm not even racing. I was like, all right, good.
Really? I saw him get straight. I was like, oh, that means like we're another position up. Took a podium in my first ever gravel race, third place. Zach got second. Real nice race, real nice. Rolling with that group of guys, probably 6 of us down there at the end. Had a real nice pace. We had that game plan to attack at the end there for the little uphill. My legs were cramping so bad, but I couldn't even stand up. I still managed to attack sitting down. I didn't think it was gonna work, but it did. Almost got the guy in front of us. Somehow finished second and third. Man, that was a great experience there.